to be endorsed by the patient. आपको अगर दर्द हुआ तो बोलिए, okay? And especially when we are bending the spine, better it is to be always the thumb in nature. When the pressure is being applied, you can just see, try how it is going to come. And especially holding the muscle where we are going to make a relaxation, and you can hold the muscle and squeeze also. When you are squeezing this muscle, then the muscle is going to get relaxed. The same way, the oblique muscles which we are going to have a circular fashion. In this circular fashion, which we are going to make the pressure exerted over, and thereby the relaxation of the muscle has to be done. Now there is a question. There will be a deep tissue massage and also there is a superficial massage. In this, we are heading with the superficial muscles is okay. But how to raise the deep tissue? For reaching the deep tissue under the scapula, just raise the shoulder and you can go. See the groove. Here under the groove, we are going with the deep tissue massage where the underscapular muscles are going to be made up. Here we go with front and also from the back. I just demonstrate for the same to the other side. See here, you can just reach under the scapula. As the muscles are going to be strong, we can make out and make. See, you can see the red color stay in the pressure exerted out here. When we are going with the side to side, the second thing which we are making is going to be back, still back. This fan stroking. Then this stroking is going to be of, this is a downward stroking, upward stroking, and fan stroking, and circular stroking, and thumb stroking with the only fingers. And here under the spinal, when we are making it out, we have to go with the two spines. Under the each and every spine process, you have to make out a movement and pressure. Thereby, the spine is going to be specifically moving. These movements, when we are unable to make out with the pressure, we can go for the subsequent step also. Next slide. There is friction is the second one. The friction also going to be given in the two ways, a rotatory friction or the spiral friction. The rotatory friction, when we are making it out, especially in the joints like the elbow and other things, or the hands, where we are making it out. Here we can make the rotatory friction and spiral frictions. Here, as you see, this is a style of frictioning of the rotatory frictioning, and spirals which we go as from the upper to that of the lower with spiral movement which we go with, that is along with the muscle course. When we are making with the muscle course, then it goes as a spiral and it spins out. It is spinning. See, my thumb is coming from the outer side, and by the time it reaches down, it goes to the other side. This becomes a spiral stroke. And the next, we have the percussions. These percussions, actually sometimes people feel it is fancy, but it is not fancy. This is cupping, tapping, hacking, pummeling, pounding, and vibration. First we go with the vibration. The vibration is very simple, where the particular site, if suppose a bony lesion is there, it is intact, especially like ankylosis of any spine, then a holding firmly and only making a vibration. With this, there will be a ligamentum relaxation, and thereby it is going to make out. easy. Clockwise and anti-clockwise, both we can make it out. And the pounding and pounding and hacking, tapping, clapping. Out of this, we are using the different things, where we are using only the palm edges and making. This makes the muscle get relaxed. And we have knuckling also, the next. This knuckling, we are using only the knuckles of the individual, and where we are making the person or the muscle to get more pressure. Here it goes as a segmental, and leading is one more technique where we hold the muscle and we pull it. In fact, this is a simple thing which we have made out, but as for the relaxation is going to be, it will be very comfortable. Yes, we know the benefits, especially this gives muscle relaxation, lymphatic drainage, and makes the hormone regulations, and also improve the immune system, which is prescribed for the healthy and also for the disease. Thank you very much.